My name Muizuddin Muhammad Noor. Today I will going to present quality management system. To answer question 2, student is required to make a video presentation based on question 1. The requirement of video presentation is as follow. Video presentation include a slide presentation of the relevant topics such as 1. Brief overview and introduction of the selected organization including the rationale. 2. Development of total quality management implementation plan to improve overall customer satisfaction. 3. Challenge or hurdles your team may anticipate including action item to overcome. 4. Case study findings, conclusion and reference. Asaflag Products Berhad, which is APSB, is located in Tanjung Langsat Industrial Complex near Johor Bahru in Malaysia. It is designed to cater for the Asia Pacific and Middle East markets and to serve an extensive and diverse scope of national or international clients. Asaflag product has the capacity to manufacture flexible pipes. APSB is certified to ISO 9001:2015 and in conformance to API specification Q1. The quality management system in APSB is periodically and systematically reviewed to ensure conformity of its product and service to enhance customer satisfaction. Asaflag Products Berhad consists of several departments as shown in the organization chart, which have respective roles and responsibilities. Short brief on the management at APSB is summarized as below. Planning. APSB factory planning is maintained in order to optimize the use of the machinery, workforce and asset and to meet the project deadline. Project schedule can be extracted from APSB scheduling application. The progress of the various manufacturing activity is updated on a daily basis. Procurement. Supplier for the equipment or raw material have been subjected to a qualification program during which their ability to consistently deliver product which comply with technique FMC requirement has been demonstrated. Supplier control. No material or equipment shall be used in the factory until it has been released by quality control department. Manufacturing. Manufacturing activity are carried out according to APSB planning. All documents pertaining to each manufacturing phase are complied in a dossier. The inspection activity are detailed in the relevant inspection plan. Development of total quality management implementation plan to improve overall customer satisfaction. 1. Customer focus. The TQM principle express the basic idea, and in this case the specialists have relatively different point of view. TQM is based on the following principle. 1. Customer focus. Quality should be customer focused and evaluated using customer based standard. Leadership. Leadership is primary responsibility for product quality rests with top management. Juran has clearly stated the critical variable in the Japanese quality leadership is the extent of active participation by senior managers. 3. Involvement of people. Government employee is responsible for achieving good product quality. 4. Process approach. The production process and work method should be designed consequently to achieve quality performance. 5. System approach. Making it right or doing it right the first time should be the goal of every worker. 6. Continual improvement. The organization should strive for continuous improvement. Excellent product quality is the result of workers striving to improve product quality and productivity on an ongoing basis using experience and experimentation. 7. Factual approach to decision making. Quality should be monitored to identify problem quickly and correct quality problem immediately. 8. Mutual beneficial supplier relationship. Companies should work with their supplier and extend TQM program to them to ensure quality input. Challenge for or heartless your team may anticipate, including action item to overcome. There are several factors that may stand against a movement of total quality management. 1. Vision and mission of top management. It is possible that the leadership of the management has not thought about sharing its vision with the employees. 2. Complacency and satisfaction. A largest number of employees in a different section of the workforce may be satisfied with whatever work they had been doing in the absence of challenging from customer. This attitude would mostly come from the senior member of the workforce. 3. Volume of work. An employee who had been performing with a particular job or task will be unwilling to comply if asked to perform more. 4. Insufficient resources. One of the problems may face is lack of adequate resources, material as well as human. Financial resources may not be available at the right time. 5. Lack of proper training, inadequate human resource. There is evidence that lack of understanding and proper training exists at all levels of any organization, and that is a large contributor to worker resistance. 6. Poor planning. Poor planning and specification lead to a project that costs more, takes longer to complete, and causes more frustration than it should be. Thank you. Case study finding conclusion and reference. TQM require a change in organization culture, which must focus on meeting customer expectation and increase the involvement of all employees to meet this objective as an expression of the ethic of continuous improvement. 3. TQM implementation is a complex, difficult, lengthy involvement, huge effort from organization. While the TQM has been suggested in principle to improve the performance, and practical application involve several difficulties. 3. Implementation of TQM is a process of transformation, change within the organization, and to cope with this change, it is necessary that the top management of the organization leadership to be able to motivate, maintain enthusiasm through organization, and to identify effective way to overcome barriers they face in order to successfully complete the implementation of TQM system. Thank you.